হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, আজকের ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদের যে মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্কটি দেওয়া হয়েছে ক্লাস 7-এর ইংলিশ সাবজেক্টের উপরে, তাতে যে সেকশন এতে বলা হয়েছে রিডিং কম্প্রিহেনশন, তো সেটি সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। তো ফার্স্টের একের দাগে দেখো তোমাদের বলা হয়েছে রিড দি ফলোয়িং প্যাসেজ অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার দি কোশ্চেন্স গিভেন বিলো। তো প্রথমে প্যাসেজটিতে বলা হয়েছে উই উড ফাইন্ড এ হ্যামার ফর হিম অ্যান্ড দেন হি উড হ্যাভ লস সাইট অফ দি মার্ক হি হ্যাড মেড অন দি ওয়াল where the nail was to go in. Each of us had to get up on the chair beside him and see if we could find it. We would each discover it in a new place, and he would call us all fools, trying to reach a point 3 inches beyond what was possible for him to reach. The string would slip, and down he would slide onto the piano. Bulletin number A is called Rearrange the following sentences. Every questions carry 1 marks. Here is total 5 questions. The options number 1 is each of us would discover a new place. Next, the hammer was found. Third is he fell onto the piano. Fourth is everyone has to get up on the chair beside him. And fifth is Uncle Podger would lose sight of the mark. When we rearrange the following sentences, so option number 2 is the rearranging part of 1, the hammer was found. Next is Uncle Podger would lost sight of the mark, and then everyone has to get up on the chair beside him, and then each of us would discover a new place, and last one is he fell onto the piano. That is the correct rearranging matter. Next, bulletin number B is called answer the following questions. Here is total 3 questions. Each questions carry 2 marks. The first A questions, number A questions is called which was it necessary for each of them to get up on the chair beside him. This question's answer is it was necessary for each of them to get up on the chair beside him to find the mark that Uncle Podger had made on the wall. Next, question number B is why did Uncle consider each of them to be fools? This question's answer is below. Uncle considers each of them to be fools because they would discover the mark in different places. And last question is how did Uncle Podger fall on the piano? This question answer is trying to reach a point 3 inches beyond what was possible for him to reach. The string slipped and Uncle Podger fell on the piano. ফার্স্টে আমি প্যাসেজটা পড়ে নিচ্ছি। তো ইউ নো অফকোর্স দ্যাট আওয়ার আর্থ ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ওল্ড, মিলিয়ন্স অ্যান্ড মিলিয়ন্স অফ ইয়ার্স ওল্ড, and for a long long time there were no men or women living in it. Before the men came there were only animals, and before the animals there was a time when no kind of life existed on the earth. It is difficult to imagine this world of ours which is so full today of all kinds of animals and men to be without them, but scientists and those who have studied and thought a great deal about these matters tell us that there was a time when the earth was too hot for any living being to live on it. তো এখানে প্রশ্নে বলা হয়েছে অ্যান্সার দি ফলোয়িং কোশ্চেন্স ইন কমপ্লিট সেন্টেন্সেস। এখানে মোট 3টি প্রশ্ন আছে। ইচ কোশ্চেন্স ক্যারি 2 মার্কস। তো ফার্স্ট প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে হাউ ওল্ড ইজ দি আর্থ। তো এই কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারটি তোমরা লিখবে দি আর্থ মিলিয়ন্স অ্যান্ড মিলিয়ন্স অফ ইয়ার্স ওল্ড। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন ইজ ডেসক্রাইব দি আর্থ বিফোর ম্যান এক্সিস্টেড। This question's answer is before the men came there were only animals, and before the animals there was a time when no kind of life exists on the earth. Question number 3 is why was there no life on earth? This question's answer is there was a time when the earth was too hot for any living being to live on it. Next part is section B, grammar and vocabulary section. The third number of questions is underline the nominal compounds in the following sentences. There are 4 number of questions. Each questions carry 1 marks. The first question is, since it is raining, you should wear the raincoat. So nominal compound in this sentence is raincoat. So I underline this word. Next question is, do you know how to use the washing machine? In these questions, the nominal compound is washing machine. Question number C is, never waste drinking water. In this part, nominal compound is drinking water. Question number D is, there is not a single oil pump in our area. In these sentences, the nominal compound is oil pump. Bulletin number 4 is called, select the correct homophone from the brackets and fill in the blanks. There are 4 questions. Each questions carry 1 mark. Question number A is, Akbar, the great Mughal emperor, dash for 49 years. This question answer is reigned. Question number B is, Anamika loves to have dash. This question answer is curd. Question number C is, Sania is to dash to move out of the doors. The correct answer is weak. W-E-A-K. Next question is, do you like to watch the TV dash? Serials is the answer. Next, bulletin number 5 is, do as directed. There are total 5 questions. Each questions carry 1 mark. The first question is, the cheetah is the fastest animal. Use positive degree of the adjective. This question answer is, no other animal is as fast as the cheetah. Next question is, very few queens were as powerful as Elizabeth I. Use superlative degree. This question answer is, Elizabeth was one of the most powerful queens. Question number 3 is, no other girl of our school is so pretty as Tania. Use comparative degree. This question answer is, Tania is prettier than any other girl of our school. Next question is, his application was rejected. Replace the underlined word with its antonym. The answer is, his application was accepted. Question number 5 is, don't eat the rotten apples. Identify the participle adjective. Don't eat the rotten apples. That is the participle adjective. Bulletin number 6 is, match column A with column B. There are total 6 questions. Each questions carry 1 marks. The first philatelist, match the column B, one who collects stamp. Next, atheist is the match of column B is one who does not believe in the existence of God. Next, sculpture is matched an artist who makes sculptures. Question number 4, apiary matched a place where bees are kept. Next, pessimist is the match one who was the negative outlook in life. Next, 6, inevitable is matched certain to happen. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা 1-এর দাগ থেকে 6-এর দাগ অবধি আলোচনা করলাম। নেক্সট ভিডিওতে তোমাদের আমি রাইটিং স্কিলে যে তোমাদের দেওয়া হয়েছে 2টি প্রশ্ন, সেই 2টি প্রশ্ন সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। আজকের ভিডিওটি যদি তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে ভিডিওটিকে একটি লাইক করবে এবং বন্ধুদের মধ্যে তোমরা শেয়ার করে দেবে। আর আমার চ্যানেলে যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকো তাহলে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে প্রেস করে রাখবে।